Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change language in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Go to settings, then go to general management. Go to general management and here select language and click on add language. Here select the language of your choice. Here I select Tamil, and if you click on keep current, it will be listed under English. If you click on set as default, the selected Tamil language will be directly applied. I click on keep current, so it is listed below English. Okay, if you want to add more language, click on add language again and select the language here. Here I would like to select this language and I click on keep current and it is listed below Tamil. Okay, if you want to activate here Tamil language, click on the language and click on apply and it will be now applied. Okay, language has been changed. Okay, that is Tamil has been moved to the first place, English comes to the second. So in this way you can uh, easily change any language for our phone Samsung Galaxy A15. Okay, suppose if you want to apply for this language, click on the language and click on apply and it will be applied. See the changes. Yes, it has been changed now. In this way you can easily change any language. You got to add language and then you got to apply that language. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.